line rings out like a hollow prayer. Your shadow's there on my porch at sunset, but the wind just whispers you're not there. I keep calling, 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 but silence is all I hear. I keep falling, falling, falling into the space where you disappeared. I keep calling you with no answer, and it echoes through my tears. Your picture's framed by the kitchen window, still catching the light like it always did. But the room feels colder, the walls seem wider, and I can't unfeel the things you hid. Did I miss the signs? Did I close my eyes? Was the truth too quiet to see? I keep calling, 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 the silence is all I hear. I keep falling, falling, falling into the space where you disappeared. I keep calling you with no answer,